Once a lady asked me a question in Ottawa, probably, in Canada. I was speaking there at the Ottawa University. She asked me a question about the status of women in Islam. I answered it. She bluntly retorted, "What do you say about the Parda system?" I say, Parda is not compulsory in Islam in the manner in which it has been practiced in India. But even if it had been compulsory in Islam, it would have been better than it would have been better than the rules of conduct which you are observing here in this country. She says, how can you defend the Parda? I understand that you are a doctor of philosophy. How can you speak like this? This is a very vulgar point of view. This is a very backward point of view. I said, no, my good lady, it's not. She said, can you say something in its defense? I said, yes, I can. I said, look here, my good lady. God is the creative force in the universe, the central creative force. He is hidden. He is behind the Parda. The woman is the creative force in human society. Should she imitate God or imitate the devil who goes about naked? Like that. Woman is the creative force in human society. Then again I said, look here, my good lady, if you have a piece of pebble that you have picked on the seashore, which just costs nothing and has no value, would you place that piece of pebble in a safe, locked? Said, no. Why should I? What do you mean? I said, but my good lady, if you have a good diamond, you are not going to throw it on the road. You will keep it there right in the safe, won't you? She said, yes. I said, yes, Islamic culture regards the women folk as diamonds, and your culture regards the women folk as pebbles and stones. And that is so. That is so.